first of all, you guys directly go to Digistore24 and just simply click marketplace, and I'm going to show you a really cool strategy. For that strategy, we are selecting a niche which is related to make money online, and you guys can find make money online niche is internet marketing and e-business. So this is known as make money online niche. So we don't need a really high ticket products, we need like low ticket products. You guys can see these offers like almost more than $500 products. So we are not promoting these offers because so these offers takes a lot of time to start getting sales. So scroll down, we are finding low ticket offers. So first of all, we find this one, but we are not promoting this one. Scroll down and you guys can see here is like another offer, get paid to do simple writing jobs. So these two offers are really popular offers. You guys can also find these offers in clickbank.com, and in clickbank there is a really high gravity and a lot of people are making a lot of money through these offers in clickbank. So a lot of people don't know these offers are also you guys can find in Digistore24. So scroll down and we're gonna simply promote this offer. A lot of people don't know this offer also exists in Digistore. That's why this offer a lot of people are not promoting this offer in Digistore. So first of all, we see the sales page of this offer. So you guys can see really basic and simple sales page. So first of all, online writing jobs that pays $25 to $50 per hour, no experience required, work at home. So really engaging headline because everybody wants to do like simple jobs from home and make money. So $25 to $50 is a lot of money per hour. And if anybody just simply start take quiz, if this complete the quiz, this offer will go to the sales page, and if they want to buy, if this person buys, we also get a commission, okay, and this guy gets a job. So cross this and we're gonna just simply promote this offer. Make sure click promote and get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. Once you did this, then step number 2 is we go to systeme.io and we need a landing page. So I created this landing page is we are just giving them opportunity for jobs. That's why this landing page is simple basic hiring. It means we are hiring peoples and paid writing jobs, $15 to $50 per hour, work from home and simply get a job, click here. So really basic and simple landing page because we need a landing page for this strategy. If you guys need this same landing page, I'm gonna give you a link in the description. You guys just simply click that link and you guys get the same landing page. If you want to change few things, you guys can change it, but I'm gonna give you a link in the description. You guys can get it. And I also created this landing page through systeme.io, and systeme.io is completely free. You guys just simply create your free account, okay? So you guys can get this free landing page. I'm gonna give you a link in the description. So step number 3 is we directly go to Google and we just simply type 60secondstraffic.com. So in this way, you guys simply click the first link. First of all, I'm gonna click the first link and you guys can see this page. And step number 2 is we just simply click this link. You guys can see 60-second traffic free member registration. So scroll down, this is a software which these guys are promoting. This is almost like $20 to $50 software, I don't know, but you guys just see this is a paid software first of all, and just simply cross this, and if you click this link like 60secondstraffic.com member registration, you directly go to see this page, okay? In here you guys just simply add your email, password and registration. In this way you guys create your free account, okay? Once you create your free account, there is a 2 accounts. One is free account and second is pro, or you call it paid or pro account. So right now we're gonna use only free account. So you guys just add email, password. Once your account is created, once you log in, you guys just simply see the same page, okay? Literally you guys see the same page. I created my account, you guys see the same page. And you guys can see these guys also promoting their pro and special offers. So if this is a like free area, if you want to go like pro or special offers, you guys must buy this stuff. But right now I'm not recommended to buy anything from this. I'm going to show you the strategy. You guys just simply scroll all the way down, and you guys can see main and you guys can see post ads. Simply click this So once you click this, in here what are we gonna do? We're gonna post our ad for completely free. So first step, in there is 3 steps in this area to post our ad. So first of all, you guys can see this, click this and scroll down. You need to add few groups, like simply check these all, like 4 5 or 3 4 5, and scroll all the way down, and you guys just simply click update my favorites. Once you click this, now you are able to post your ad. Okay, so scroll down, and I'm going, you guys just simply scroll down, post ads, and cross this, and now you are allowed to post ad. But before, the second step is like first step, these guys are called. So here is the offer. If any other person is promoting from like 60secondtraffic.com, another you call it person or member are promoting their ad, so your ad literally looks like this, a small headline and their affiliate link. And one more thing is very important, your ad is post in Facebook. You guys get high quality traffic in just 60 seconds. So what we're gonna do is, the first and very important work is just simply copy this. Once you copy, you guys just simply see share, click this, and these are all those groups which you check and update your favorites. So we just simply click this, and I'm going to show you how you paste. So once the windows pops up open, then you guys can see here is the group. If you're not joined, just simply click join and just simply paste that link or paste that ad you copied. Just simply paste that and just simply click post, and it will take 1 or 2 seconds, and then this ad is posted on Facebook. And in this way you guys can get high quality traffic, and I'm going to show you what is the benefit for you guys. And you guys can see, yes, I confirm, click this, and now you guys are allowed to post your ad. So first of all, we add a few text, or you call it headline, and then we're gonna add our landing page URL. So I have available here. So it's just simply this job opportunity, we are hiring simply this, and then 15 up to $50 per hour, or I call it like, or 15 is looks good. And click this categories, and we call it online business. Click this, or if any other employment, you guys can also select employment, but I'm gonna select only online business, and just simply click post it. And you guys can see that our ad is posted here. But remember, our ad is not be posted here, and our traffic not comes from this page. Now everybody post our ad on other Facebook groups, and we are start getting traffic in just 60 seconds. So in this way you guys can see your ad is post successfully. Okay, so in this way, so what is the benefit for you? So first, I'm just giving you examples. So you post one ad, 60secondtraffic.com member one time, and what this software does, this software shows your ad or my ad to the next 10 people, and these 10 people will post your ad on Facebook. So in this way you guys can get 10x traffic. Means you post one ad in Facebook, and this through this software your ad is posted by 10 times to real people on Facebook. So in this way you guys can get 10x traffic if you post one, your ad posted by 10 times. And you guys can see these software also have a pro, a special plan, and these both plans are paid plan. If you buy one of these plans, you guys are just simply post your ad, and you are start getting a lot of traffic through this method. But remember, I am not recommended any of you to buy this offer. Why? Because first of all, make sure you guys use a free method. Make sure if you start getting a traffic, you start getting few sales. Once you see results, then make sure buy it. If you don't see results, make sure do not buy this stuff. Okay.